Population and Migration by Tarun, Harrison, Danny, and Brandon. Carrying capacity. Carrying capacity is an important aspect of population. This is the amount of people an area can support. It's important because it helps us to determine whether a country is overpopulated. Overpopulation. Overpopulation is when a country contains too many people that it can't support itself. This is important because if a country is overpopulated, its living conditions will be unsuitable. Thomas Malthus and Neo-Malthism. Thomas Malthus was a political economist who believed that the world was becoming overpopulated and our food supply was decreasing. This led him to believe that the world would starve and descend into an apocalypse. This is also the same with Neo-Malthism. Population pyramid and sex ratio. A population pyramid and a graph that shows the sex ratio both show the overall percentage of a nation's gender and age ratio, or compared to each other. Demographic transition model. A DTM is a model that shows how the population, birth rate, and death rate of a country interact within different stages of development.
Mortality and natality. The mortality rate, or the amount of deaths in a country, and the natality rate, or the rate of births in a country, show how developed a country is and how civilized the living conditions are. Distance decay. Distance decay shows that the farther away one is from a country, the less interesting or attractive the country seems to migrate to. Push and pull factors. These factors help persuade or dissuade one from migrating to a country, affecting the population density of that country. Step migration and intervening opportunity. Step migration is when people migrate to a destination in stages, stopping at different places along the way. An intervening opportunity may cause them to stay in one of these places permanently. Forced voluntary migration and refugees. Forced migration and voluntary migration both play roles in the development of a country's population. Most of the migrators of forced migration are refugees looking for a better place to live.
Bibliography. Our sources were the Human Geography textbook and the official Thomas Malthus website. Dun dun.